How to record music in Audacity from the Yamaha PSR-e453 using one USB cable. We start by connecting one end to the keyboard, the other end to the PC. So this is a mini PC and this is the first time I'm connecting the device to the system. So it's setting up. So we wait when the device is ready. And we're gonna download Audacity. So we choose the first one. We download it. So, and we open the file and we install it. So this should be very straightforward. So we just install it and we don't launch it. So we're going to wait until it's done. Just like that. Do not launch Audacity. Just finished. Now we're going to look for the Steinberg driver, Steinberg USB driver. I don't know how to spell it. From Yamaha. So this is the one that we're going to download. And there it is. So in this page, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. So you have to agree to this. Say yes and download the zip file. So in this file, you will find the setup file and you have to run it in order to install it. So let's go to install it. Let's wait. Yeah, and once finished, now we can now our PC recognizes the keyboard as an audio input and output. Okay, so let's open Audacity. And we go to audio setup and set the recording devices. Recording channels like in stereo. And then with the recording device, we choose the keyboard. And we're going to start recording. So you can record whatever you want, anything. So this is it. I hope you find it useful. And let me know if it did work for you. And I see you next time. If you like the video, you may subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you next time.